we will learn what is wildcard. Before that, there is a one big thing we need to learn. This is the regular expression, or we can say rejects expression. Anyone heard about that? What is regular expression? I will tell you what is regular expression and wildcard. It is a part of regular expression. You know, all we are using mobiles. We have 10-digit mobile number. You know, I will tell you what is exact meaning of regular expression. It is a pattern, particular pattern. In our mobile number, there are 10 digits, and the first digit is dedicated. There are only 6, 7, 8, 9. Only four number we are add in our first digit in our mobile number. We all know that. And 9 number are 0 to 9. So this will be 6 to 9 and 0 to 9. It is one pattern. Where we use this regular expression? In our application based programs. Like there is our registration form. We are using this regular expression or rejects function for validation purpose. We all fill up some kind of forms. You know, there is in email there are some validations like let's suppose abc@gmail.com. If I put this before abc, it will give me error like it is invalid. As you know, you all know that this part. So same, there are certain kind of validation they are using. So we will see some example like this. A to Z. This is the small alphabets. We are able to use only small alphabets, not capital letters. In this A to Z, we are able to use capital letters. After that, there is 0 to 9, the alpha, the numbers. I am only able to use 0 to 9 numbers. And there is one function like A to Z, 0 to 9, alphanumeric. Mostly we are using the in the registration or login part. And you know, there is some in our latest technology we are using some annotations. Like in Java, there are some annotations like @not null, @empty, @not empty, email. We are providing some data or some specific format. Like the American standard is DDYY, but I need to pass data in the format of DDMMYY in our Indian standard. So there are certain kind of annotation we are using in our day-to-day life in our programming world. So in Java there is one not null. As I said, there are a lot of expression. I don't know about like there are certain annotations in C also and Python also, and like in doubt we completed our part in regular expression. Then we can move forward to our what is this wildcard. There are certain wildcards in our syllabus. We will see star, we call this as asterisk. After that there is one square bracket. Just here I write down same bracket, and there is one question. So you have a question, what this wildcards do? As we know, we done lot of commands in our practical sessions and much more. We have knowledge about that. What is this? So let's suppose I need to find out one file, but I don't know the name, but I know it is a txt file. So in Linux we use ls, our listing command, and this asterisk dot txt. It will find all the .txt extension file for me present in my working directory or my current directory. After that, these brackets we used here. It is a great example of these brackets. And the last one is question mark. We will discuss this bracket later. No worries. We will see this question mark second. If I know something called, my file name is top, but I am confused whether it is top or tab. Let's suppose it is top.txt, but I am confused. I don't know what is exact. I am not able to find that name. So here I am putting only one question mark. It will find this file for me. I am seeing some contents and then I will find. Now we are going to see these brackets. What are that? Why we are using? How we are using? Last we discussed about something like 0 to 9, the number limitations, some specific pattern for that. We discussed, right? So now we are able to see, like I am show you something, a to small z, but it is not working in our Linux. There are different flavors of Linux. Some flavors accept that part, but some flavors are not able to accept that part. Like in our Ubuntu, this is invalid. We are not able to this thing. So in the replacement of that, we are using one different syntax. Like there is two opening square bracket, in that two colons, and there is one word lower, after that colon, two close brackets, both are squares. Clear? It is simple in Ubuntu. For capital letters, what we use? Same, but different naming convention. It is opposite of lower upper. And there is another thing. So you have my question arises like, what is this? We write with our alphabets, but digits are remaining, the numbers are remaining. So for that we are using this syntax. Clear? Any doubt? It is making sense why we are using. In most of the web-based application, you know, Facebook, Instagram, or in your banking application, there are registration form, some specific form. So in that we are using some patterns. It will be useful. The most used patterns A to Z, capital A to Z, and 0 to 9. It is the most used pattern in our programming area. You know the trending technology, Spring Boot. In Spring Boot, for validation purpose, we are using this regex pattern. Clear? What is the regular expression? Regular expression means it is a sequence of special characters that arranged for some specific data. Clear? Any question? So now we know what is wildcard, where we are using the wildcard,